Now look student, question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Now look, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now what is the meaning of quadrilateral? The four line segment boundary figure, it is called quadrilateral. So ABCD is a quadrilateral and we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. And the conditions are given here. Now let's have a look how to solve this one, question number 10. Now look students, here is the question number 10. As you can see the diagram, ABCD and OE. A quadrilateral ABCD whose diagonals AC and BD intersect each other. Diagonals at the point O intersect such that AO by BO and AO by OC and BO by OD. We have to prove that ABCD is trapezium, which means AB parallel to CD. We know that in trapezium opposite sides parallel and other two sides not parallel. So we'll have to prove that AB parallel to CD. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. We'll write here that construction part now. We'll write here now construction. Look student, construction. So here we'll write that throw the point O, we draw OE, we draw a line OE which is parallel to BA or AB. Look here now in the diagram, OE parallel to AB, intersecting AD at E. Now look, after that we'll go for the proof now. Now look student, this is the diagram. As you can see in the video, ABCD is a quadrilateral and OE parallel to AB. So here we can write here student that in triangle DBA, look here, DBA, this triangle DBA, here OE parallel to AB. Now look here now, we'll start here proof. Question number 10, proof. In triangle DBA, OE parallel to BA, OE parallel to BA. Now look, after that OE parallel to BA, then triangle DBA, this one OE parallel to BA. So we can write here now students DE by EA and DO by OB. We'll write here now DE by EA equal to DO by OB. So this is because of students by basic proportion theorem. We'll write here now by basic proportionality theorem. Proportionality theorem. Now look, after that what is the given part student here? Look the given part, AO by OC, BO by OD. We'll use this one now. First of all I will give here implies. Now look, I am doing here the given part AO by BO equal to CO by DO. This is the given part. Now look, if it is do so, then now look, we'll go for the multiplication AO into DO equal to BO into CO. Now after that DO by BO and here DO by BO, and there is CO by AO. So look student here now, in place of DO by BO equal to CO by AO. So in place of DO by BO, I may write here CO by AO. So here DE by EA or AE, whatever, DE or ED, and EA by EA or AE, whatever, DO by BO equal to CO by AO. Now look after that. Look in the diagram now. DE by DE by EA, and there is CO by AO. Now look student, here after that, if I go for the reciprocal here, then AE by ED and AO by OC. Now look, if I go here for the reciprocal, then AE by DE and equal to AO by CO. This is by reciprocal. Now look student, here match with the diagram now. Look, AE by DE and AO by OC. Now look, AE by DE and AO by OC, which means this clearly seen that OE parallel to CD, and this is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. So here we'll write now. Students, after that, therefore OE parallel to CD or DC, whatever. Now look here. So one more thing student, look in the diagram. AE by ED and AO by OC, this is the part of triangle ADC. I repeat again, AE, look in the diagram, AE by ED and AO by OC, this is the part of triangle ADC, and OE parallel to CD, this is also in the part of ADC. So students, here we can write here that, now look, here we can write by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now look, after that student, here, but one more thing is that, but OE parallel BA, this is by construction. Look here, by construction, OE parallel to AB by construction. So we'll write here now, by construction. So student, look here now, OE parallel to AB and OE parallel to CD also, which means AB parallel to CD. Now look here, therefore we can say that AB parallel to CD. If AB parallel to CD, therefore ABCD is a trapezium, hence proved. So this is our question number 10, 6.2. This sum is quite different, the geometry is quite different, that's why you need to practice this question very hard for at least 3-4 times. And one more thing, in question 9 and 10 from exercise 6.2 class 10 general maths, this question number 9, 10 is quite important, normally comes for into the examinations regularly.